Hey y'all, my name is Fallon Lopez. I'm the host of the You Glow Nurse podcast, and I was so privileged to be a part of the FYVA retreat, podcasting retreat. One of the biggest takeaways for me, basically bringing clarity to where I've been in my podcasting message. I really felt torn in between two populations of women that I wanted to help, and just being in this atmosphere that Kayla and Tatum created. They really challenged us and asked us the right questions, and just really, God-centered. What's your message? And it just helped me get to the core of it. And then the ladies here helped me really strategize. It's amazing what you can do in community. I think that is one of the biggest takeaways that I have. And something that I would tell someone about this retreat, whether you're thinking about it or like maybe you're coming already or whatever, I would definitely say, show up ready to learn, show up ready with a mindset to win. You're going to hear a lot of things, you're going to learn a lot of things, but don't be discouraged. Bring everything, who you are, to the table. Be ready to learn and be ready to give and support others. Like, we're all in this together. And I really feel like Tatum is creating that community with this podcasting retreat. Our messages matter. And when you come into this, come with that mindset. Like, I'm going to learn, I'm going to win, and I'm going to help others along the way. And you will be very, very successful.